All right. So as we concluded last time on our tutorial, we talked that today we'll learn how we can create we can display HTML templates on the screen. So we want our views to throw an HTML page at our screen. So instead of it is giving this information, we want it to give out the HTML page on our screen. So this is how we go about it in Django. All right, so just a moment. Okay, so we also in Django, most of the time, mostly there's just as we stated earlier that you're going to be working with settings in terms of setting up your entire project. So there will be some things that we'll set up here, but later on we might need to change them. So I'm doing this because I'm having total beginners in mind when creating this video. I'm having total beginners in mind so that at least we all have the knowledge on how we can go about it. So in here, there's what we call you will find something like the templates. Okay, the templates, it will be equal to SN dictionary, and then inside this dictionary there will be um this for giving you an option for does. There will be something like does, and then there will be something blank. There will be something blank here. So inside this is where you actually give where the directory for the templates will be. So we're going to say template. So, but what I mean here when I say template, it's actually telling Django that we are going to be storing all of our HTML files inside a folder which is templates. That's what we're simply doing here. So make sure that you are able to put something which is not really that hard to type, because if you make any mistake, for Django is going to get confused on where to look. So ensure that you write something like this, maybe template. So that's just the standard one. So there you can customize it. You can actually create your own name for this, but just that is just the standard for Django. So we're going to go inside our music app, and then we don't create a file rather, sorry, we just create a folder. So this folder that we're going to create, what's the folder name? The folder name will be templates. So this is our folder. So then inside this template is where we'll be storing all of our project, all of our HTML templates. So inside this, we can create another template here, so we can create another folder. So since all of our applications are going to be having their HTML4 files inside the templates folder, so it would be very wise for us to actually create subfolders of the name of the apps. So for instance, songs. So this means that under template there will be a songs folder that will hold only the songs HTML pages, and then therefore making it easier for us to find the pages. So let's go ahead and create the page. Alright, so we'll create this page. It's going to be an index, the HTML page. So that will be the name of our page. It will be an index, the HTML page. So you can save the page. So what you can do is you can type in anything. So let's say the title will be the name of our app. Alright, so we want to create something, maybe we want to create just a heading, just say uh, we say it will just display the name of the app. Alright, so this is what we want to show. So then that means inside our views here we can do something a little bit different. Alright, so you notice that immediately you install an app, views comes with this line here, which is from Django.showcase. There's render already imported. So a render is what actually Django uses for it to throw pages at you. So it renders those pages, in other words to say. So we imported a certain parameter which is request. Alright. So this request is when we're using it now when actually rendering that page. So we are going to specify the name of the page here. So where is our folder inside our application? So the folder is in something like templates, songs, forward slash, and then what's the name of the file? It's index.html. But keep in mind that we've already specified that there's a folder which has all of our HTML pages, and this folder is templates. So therefore, there is no need for us to include this. So we can just say songs and then index.html. So meaning Django is going to look for it's going to look inside this folder, and then it will only get songs. When it opens songs, it will look for an index.html, and then it's what it will render to the screen. So that is if you visit the main application. So the main application and then songs. So let's go to our songs and then we say refresh. Alright, says some templates does now exist. So let's go back to our views. Okay, so ensure that the name is spelled okay. Alright, so let's go back to our settings. Alright, so you can see that I've put template here instead of putting templates. So if we save and then we refresh, okay, we're able to receive that template there. Okay, so that's how Django is able to 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 locate pages for HTML. So all of the applications will have their own templates inside this templates folder. So that means we can work with our website easily. So where the templates for file is where we're going to display all of the songs, and then inside this folder is when we're going to inside this application here is when we're going to handle the views, and then we're going to handle the URLs, and then we are going to handle the models. Okay, so before we come to the modules in our next session, we're going to look at the Django administration panel. So we are going to just change something inside the Django administration panel for our website. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day.